Good morning. So we are discussing about the different instruction set, right? And then I asked you to go through them, revise them. I hope you have already done that. So let's come directly to the today's discussion topic: instruction execution and sorry, straight line sequence. So what is happening here? You'll see that address, contents, and tree instruction program segment. So begin execution at I. So I'm considering four bits. So I plus 4, I plus 8. So ultimately, this thing is trying to do what for this particular instruction, A plus B, then being shifted to C. So how the things are going on exactly, you'll see that move A R dot. So what we are doing here, that we are shifting A there to R naught. Then we are adding B with R naught. So in R naught, we already have that content A, right? Now we are adding B here. So ultimately in R naught, we have A plus B. Now what we need to do here is to shift this thing to where? C. So move R naught C. This is the tree instruction program segment. What assumption we have considered is that one memory operand per instruction, 32-bit word length. See, 32-bit. So now you got that why I'm adding 4 here, right? 32-bit stands for how many bytes? 4. Yes or no? Got it. I discussed in the last class. So just divide it by 8 and you'll get the byte associated. As you know that memory is byte addressable. So we are writing here in terms of byte, and full memory address can directly be specified in a single word instruction. And we are following two-phase procedure, means just fetch and execute. Fetch means trying to retrieve the value, and execute means whatever the instruction we are going to execute with those operands values that we have just fetched, we are doing that. So two-phase procedure, instruction fetch and instruction execution. Data for the program, we are using ABC. This he operates. Now, branching, you see move R0 to num1 or num1 to R0. Obviously, num1 to R0. Then add num to R0. Add num to R0. Can anybody tell me that what exactly these three instructions performing here? Can anybody tell me वो? कोई बता सकते हैं ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Okay, don't worry. So num1 is being moved to R0. Then num2 is being added there. So ultimately we are adding what? Num1 and num2. Then whatever the output we have got, we are adding num3 there. So ultimately num1, num2 on number T, we are adding them. Right? ये तो समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को कि I plus 4, I plus A. This is the sequence. Now, look at here carefully. I plus 4n minus 4 and I plus 4n. Just tell me, have you got this too? Just clear me. Why I'm writing here like this? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ byte addressable consider किया है. We are considering byte. addressable. So 4 bytes being considered here. So that's why I plus 4, I plus A from the 2, from the last 2 you have seen there. So here, same thing. See, if this is I plus 4n, तो इससे just पहले वाला क्या होगा? What will be the just last one before it? We just need to subtract 4 from here. Okay. So that's why I plus 4n minus 4. कारण यार চাৰিটাকে আমি আগবঢ়াই গৈ আছো चार चार करके हम मतलब ये कर रहे हैं सीक्वेंस कर रहे हैं मतलब जो भी अभी यहाँ एड्रेस है इसके साथ और 4 ऐड कर दोगे तो आपको नेक्स्ट लोकेशन मिल जाएगा राइट तो दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पे भी आप 4 ऐड कर दो तो क्या मिल रहा है I plus 4n. I think you should not have any confusion with these two. And the other things add num and R naught and R naught plus sum. So ultimately, if you recall the summation function में हम क्या करते थे? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, right? और n के before वाला नंबर क्या था? n minus 1. यही ऐड करते थे. But if we consider recursive function, then these things together represent what? Sum itself. ये तो करते थे हम याद होगा आप लोगों को hello my voice is coming there or not
Yes, sir.
and you can see my screen
Yes, sir.
good okay so তোমালোকে আগতে sum function to কৰিছিলা वहां हम क्या करते थे sum को पहले इनिशियलाइज करते थे 0 के साथ उसके बाद इसके साथ जो sum है अभी इसका वैल्यू 0 है देन नेक्स्ट हम क्या करते थे n1 जो भी था और या तो 1 2 1 2 से n तक हम समेशन कर रहे हैं तो s+1 तो ये सम पे आ गया आप फिर से आप क्या करोगे नेक्स्ट वाला क्या होगा ये जो प्रीवियस सम है उसके साथ 2 ऐड करोगे you're moving like that is a kind of recursive thing that the same thing we are doing here num n being added to r naught register हमने यही r naught consider किया है then r naught being added there and whatever the value we are getting we just need to shift it to where sum okay so this is the straightforward straight line program for adding n numbers you can take a screenshot of it and try to means draw it by yourself then everything will be clear I hope there is no confusion here yes okay good
Yes, sir.
okay so let's see move n r1 clear r naught now branching so loop determine the address of next number and add next number to r naught decrement r1 means r1 से minus कर रहे हैं हम 1 you know the increment and decrement functions can I assume so
Yes, sir.
very good आप लोगों ने for loop भी यूज किया होगा पहले अगर मैं C++ और जावा की बात करूं तो क्या होता था इनिशियलाइज करना पड़ता था let me change the color you have changed sorry means initialize it then you do some operation right and these operations will be done with respect to a condition suppose n तक करना है तो I is less than equal to n या तो n से कम means you are not going to use this equal to sign so that's a basic loop means what till the condition is being satisfied the whatever you are putting here in this instruction set that will be repeatedly executed और कब तक होगा जब तक ये condition satisfy होता रहेगा और condition satisfy नहीं हुआ तो then it will be stopped right there and this is the action and here this is decrement branch greater than 0 decrement कर रहा है देखो एक चीज होता है increment हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और कब तक बढ़ रहे हैं हम when I is less than equal to n decrement कर रहा है कब तक जब तक वो 0 से ज्यादा बड़ा हो या 0 के बराबर हो, बट 0 से कम होगा तो विल स्टॉप देयर. द थिंग वी आर डूइंग हियर, राइट? এতিয়া বুজি পাইছে? ব্রাঞ্চ ইজ গ্রেটার দেন 0, লুপ মুভ r not to sum. So this thing is considered as branch target, right? টার্গেট বুলি ক'লে আমি কি বুজি পাওঁ? এটা আমি এম ৰাখো, সেইটোলৈকে স্যাটিসফাই কৰিবলৈ চাওঁ, है ना? यहाँ जैसे हमने क्या किया था, आई जब तक n से बराबर या तो कम होगा या तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है, बराबर होगा, तब तक ये इंस्ट्रक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा. तो हमने क्या रखा? दैट वाज आवर टारगेट, राइट? ये ब्रांच, दिस टारगेट ऑफ दिस ब्रांच इज दिस वन. तो सिमिलरली ये डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, ठीक है? डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा है तो कब तक होगा? when branch is greater than 0. So that is our branch target, right? And conditional branch going on. So these things, and num1, num2, this is same as I have discussed in the last just few minutes ago. So that things are going on. So branch का concept जो है कब और क्यों use करते हैं? Now I hope it is clear to you. Whenever we need to do something repeatedly, then we go for that. And branching is very important while we are executing that loop. And branch target is the condition till which that particular instruction will be executed. So is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let's see some terms. Condition codes, condition code flags. Now, flag. Any idea about when we use this flag? Just guess and tell. ভয় খাব নালাগে, ভুল হলেও একো নাই, মাত্ৰ ট্ৰাই কৰ. শুনিছা তো শব্দটো, ফ্লেগটো শুনিছা? ফ্লেগ মানে কি হ'ব পাৰে? ফ্লেগ क्या होगा? ऐसे according to your guess, you can tell me.
Sir, flag is used to identify something, sir.
Very good. That's Krishna, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Other students, please try. What Krishna said that we try to identify something, then we keep it flag. Yes? Okay, just tell me whether he is correct or not. आप लोग बोलना नहीं चाहते तो बस ये बोल दो कि कृष्णा ने जो कहा अभी फ्लैग के बारे में, is that correct or not? अरे what happens? चलो नाम लेके बोलना ही पड़ेगा, तब तक नहीं बोलेंगे ये लोग. नेहा.
Yes, sir.
नेहा तुम्हें क्या? नेहा आप बोलिए, कृष्णा ने क्या कहा अभी?
उसने कहा कि flag is used to identify something.
So what's your view on that?
I think it's correct.
Then why didn't you try? Why didn't you speak? Yeah? What's the problem?
Because I was not sure.
I told you na, you don't need to be sure. I'm teaching you, so you don't need to. I just want to know that what things you are going to catch. You just need to guess and you just need to know. I'm not going to scold you if you are wrong. How many times, Neha, I need to tell you these things? ठीक है, नेहा ने बोला है लास्ट नेक्स्ट क्लास से सारे चीज जो भी रेस्पॉन्स होगा वो देगी. Am I assume sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ঠিক है. বাকি সকলৰ কি অপিনিয়ন কোৱা? আৰে ইণ্ডিয়ান ফ্লেগখন দেখিছা নে তোমালোকে এতিয়ালৈকে?
Yes, sir.
কিহৰ কাৰণে ৰাখে?
Yes, sir.
কেতিয়াবা টেকনিক্যাল বস্তু
Identify
গেছ বস্তুটো বহুত দৰকাৰ হয়. গেছ বস্তু মানে স্মাৰ্ট গেছ. ওকে, These terms being related to your common life. I'm not asking you the technical definition of flag. If I say the technical definition of flag, then I need to define it in terms of beach. Right? So you just recall it from your flag. Flag kon kihor karone rakha hoy? Flag is clear rakhte bolo.
Symbol, sir.
Symbol. তুমি অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশত আছা, লাষ্টত আছা, টাৱাঙত আছা। তাত তুমি ইণ্ডিয়ান ফ্লেগ খন ৰাখিবা নে আৰু নে বেলেগ কিবা ৰাখিবা?
India
তো কিহৰ কাৰণে ৰখা হৈছে?
identify কৰিব।
Exactly. Hey, साधारण गैस খিনি you have to do. Okay. मेरा पर्पस यही था कि आप लोग ये सिंपल जो ये सारे चीज है ये गैस करना सीखो. ठीक है? Smart guess. You should means employ your IQ to solve this type of things. So flags, आपने देखा कि Indian flags, so that also takes some space, right? So क्या है? Flags we use as some indication purpose also as an indicator. Okay, so obviously it is going to consume 1 bit or sometime more than it, and this is just to indicate particular program means where it is being used. Yeah, ये program structure में ऐसा होना चाहिए. So yes, particular चीज को denote करने के लिए हम flag use करते हैं. I think in your computer network paper also, when you study your IP address or IPv4 address, then you will also find this term there. Computer network paper is there or not? You in the SAM?
Yes, sir.
तो वहां पढ़ा नहीं था क्या फ्लैग क्या है?
सर अभी तक तो नहीं सर.
Okay. So कब यदि थाकी जाए skip हो जाए, then ask your faculty to go through it. Okay, do not skip that. और particularly मैं सबके কৈছো IPv4 एड्रेस स्ट्रक्चर टू संपूर्ण के निजे आकी लोगा. IPv4 जो एड्रेस स्ट्रक्चर है, आपका फैकल्टी जो भी होगा कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क को पढ़ाएंगे, तो वो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा याद रख लेना. उसमें फ्लैग कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या चीज हम यूज कर रहे हैं. You properly need to remember those things. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So then condition code register, status register, N stands for negative, Z stands for 0, V for overflow, C for carry. Then these different things we are using for those different program instructions. Now, is there any students named Russell Chunwal here? Russell Chunwal বুলি কোনোবা student আছে নেকি তোমালোকৰ লগত? নাই নহয়?
No, sir.
I can see one is waiting there, so I'm not allowing him. I think he's not a part of this class. Anyway, now let's see this. मैं आपको एक बार कहूँ, मैं फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ. NaN stands for negative, Z stands for 0, V stands for overflow, C stands for carry. Now look at this example. A is having this value, B is having this value. Right. Now, what I am doing here? A को तो जैसा था, I'm putting the same way. Yes. B का क्या निकाला मैंने? I have performed one's complement. All of you are agree. भालके size जो आप बुझी पाए गए ऐसा नहीं. One's complement उलियासु ने क्यों उलियासु यात? Now don't tell me that you don't know, because I have already explained one complement, second complement, whose complement. These things I have discussed, if I'm not wrong. Now you look at this number, you tell me what I have done to this B.
One's complement.
Yes, sir.
One's complement.
One's complement. Is it so? How many of you are agree that this is one's complement? Now look at this very carefully again. तो इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ अच्छे से देख लेना.
Sir, not one's complement, sir.
तो पहले क्यों प्रथमते क्यों ভালকে নোকোৱা নাছিলে? No, don't
Sir,
worry.
last or zero केटा देखाई नासिलो sir.
Okay, very good, no problem. किंतु तुम्हारे का try करिला, that is very good. देखो 001 001 है. उसके बाद मैंने आपको एक टेक्निक सिखाया था, आप लोगों को याद होगा कि जो होगा जैसे 0 उसका क्या कर देंगे अपोजिट, मतलब 0 को 1 में बदल देंगे, 1 को 0 में बदल देंगे, इसी तरफ मूव करेंगे तो वो कौन सा कॉम्प्लीमेंट कहलाता है? Which complement that one is?
Sir,
One's
two's complement.
2's complement, right? So 0 0 1, first one को जैसा था वैसे ही रख दिया. I have kept the first one is same, what it is, I'm not changing it to 0. Then after that, whatever the values I'm getting, I'm just making, or I'm just performing complement of it. That is 0 is there, is changed to 1, 1 is to 0, and this 30 sends to 1 1. Now this is 2's complement. So automatically that comes to your mind that what I'm trying to perform. Is it plus or is it minus?
Sir, plus.
अगर कोई एक नंबर के साथ, ठीक है, if with any number if we try to add 2's complement of, what I have just said, if we are trying to add the 2's complement of the other number, then what exactly we are performing here? तो ये क्वेश्चन सभी लोगों से मुझे आंसर मिलना चाहिए, अभी नहीं, उसके बाद क्लास के बाद मैं देखूंगा, ठीक है. I'll provide this later, then I'll see. I want the answer from all of you, but you are not going to copy it. You will state your opinion. Okay. अब देखो ये 2's complement निकाल लिया मैंने, 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, but 1 1 0 carry is what?
1, sir.
1 1 1 0, again carry is 1 1 1 1 0, then carry is 1 1. But 1 is now we have as carry. Okay. That 0 and 1, but there is no overflow. If V is equal to 0, V stands for what?
Sir, overflow.
V stands for overflow. ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. मैं फिर से ये बता दूंगा आप लोगों को, टाइम हो गया. एनीवे, तो आप लोगों को याद होगा जब साइन इंटीजर की बात की थी हमने, 0 and 1 की बात की थी, ठीक है. इसमें से 0 क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते थे, 1 क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? रिकॉल इट. सब भूल चुके हैं. कृष्णा তুমি কোৱা, যদি 0 থাকে কি হয়, 1
Sir,
থাকে?
0 negative, 1 positive.
Is it so? Anyway, very good try. From this part, again, see, if we revise the things, then these are very clear to you. So, moi je tumalok koi thaku revise koribole, and now I think now you have got it. That's why I'm asking so. Right. So don't worry. The question that I have asked, you just need to answer that and revise a little bit about the sign and unsigned things. Okay, you'll find it in some of the previous lectures. So go through it, and then I'll again start with this very example in the next class. Okay, can I stop it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.